Riding safely with airbags. Airbags are a safety feature that help keep you safer than a seat belt alone. Ride at least 10 inches, measured from the center of the steering wheel to your breastbone, from the airbag cover, if you can do this while maintaining full control of the vehicle. If you cannot safely sit 10 inches away from the airbag, contact your vehicle dealer or manufacturer for advice about additional ways of moving back from your airbag. Passengers should also sit at least 10 inches away from the passenger side airbag. Important: children seated next to a side airbag may be at risk of serious or fatal injury. Unattended children in motor vehicles. It is never a good idea to leave a child unattended in a vehicle. It is illegal to leave a child 6 years old or younger unattended in a motor vehicle. Note: a child may be left under the supervision of a person 12 years old or older. Distracted driving. Anything that prevents you from operating your vehicle safely is a distraction. The following are the 3 types of driver distractions. Visual eyes off the road. Cognitive mind off the road. Manual hands off the steering wheel. Some actions that cause distracted driving and lead to vehicle collisions are: using a handheld device, for example, cell phone or music device. Reaching for an object inside the vehicle. Looking at an object or event outside of the vehicle. Reading. Eating. Applying cosmetics, makeup. More information regarding collisions and distractions can be found in the Driver Distractions, FFDL 28, Fast Facts brochure. Hot weather risks. It is dangerous and illegal to leave children, CVC 15620, and/or animals in a hot vehicle. After sitting in the sun, even if a window is slightly opened, the temperature can rise rapidly inside a parked vehicle. Dehydration, heat stroke, and death can result from overexposure to the heat. California Penal Code 597.7 prohibits leaving or confining an animal in an unattended motor vehicle under conditions that endanger the health or well-being of an animal due to heat. 0. Traffic controls. Traffic signal lights. Solid red. A red traffic signal light means stop. You can make a right turn against a red traffic signal light after you stop. Yield to pedestrians, bicyclists, and vehicles close enough to be a hazard. Make the right turn only when it is safe. Do not turn if a "No turn on red" sign is posted. Red arrow. A red arrow means stop. Remain stopped until the green signal or green arrow appears. Do not turn against a red arrow. Flashing red. A flashing red traffic signal light means stop. After stopping, you may proceed when it is safe. Observe the right-of-way rules. Solid yellow. A yellow traffic signal light means caution. The red traffic signal light is about to appear. When you see the yellow traffic signal light, stop if you can do so safely. If you cannot stop safely, cross the intersection cautiously. Yellow arrow. A yellow arrow means the protected turning time period is ending. Be prepared to obey the next traffic signal light, which could be the green or red traffic signal light or red arrow. FLASHINGELL. A flashing yellow traffic signal light warns you to proceed with caution. Slow down and be alert before entering the intersection. Yield to any pedestrians, bicyclists, or vehicles in the intersection. You do not need to stop for a flashing yellow traffic signal light. Flashing yellow arrow. This traffic signal light means turns are permitted, unprotected, but you must first yield to oncoming traffic and pedestrians, and then proceed with caution. Solid green. Give the right of way to any vehicle, bicyclist, or pedestrian in the intersection. A green traffic signal light means go. If you are turning left, make the turn only if you have enough space to complete the turn before creating a hazard for any oncoming vehicle, bicyclist, or pedestrian. Do not enter the intersection if you cannot get completely across before the traffic signal light turns red. If you block the intersection, you can be cited. CM 2. Green arrow. A green arrow means go. You must turn in the direction the arrow is pointing after you yield to any vehicle, bicyclist, or pedestrian still in the intersection. The green arrow allows you to make a protected turn. Oncoming vehicles, bicyclists, and pedestrians are stopped by a red traffic signal light as long as the green arrow is lighted. Traffic signal light not working, blackout. The traffic signal light is not working, and/or no lights are showing on the signal. Proceed cautiously as if the intersection is controlled by stop signs in all directions. Pedestrian signal lights. Pedestrian traffic signal lights show words or pictures similar to the following examples. Walk or walking person. Pedestrian traffic signal light means it is legal to cross the street. Don't walk. Hey or raised hand. Pedestrian traffic signal light means you may not start crossing the street. Flashing. Don't walk or flashing raised hand. Traffic signal light means do not start crossing the street, because the traffic signal light is about to change. If a pedestrian begins crossing the street after the traffic signal light starts flashing, wait until the pedestrian has crossed the street before proceeding. Pedestrian traffic signal lights may also show numbers to indicate how many seconds remain for crossing. These pedestrian traffic signal lights allow pedestrians the flexibility to speed up if the crossing phase is about to expire. Pedestrian phases, also called pedestrian scrambles, are a series of crisscross, diagonal crosswalks that allow pedestrians to cross in any direction at the same time, including diagonally across the intersection. These signals stop all vehicle traffic during the scramble phase. Some pedestrian traffic signal lights may provide a beeping or chirping sound, or a verbal message. These traffic signal lights are designed to help blind or visually impaired pedestrians cross the street. At many traffic signal lights, you need to push the pedestrian button to activate the walk or walking person pedestrian traffic signal light. If there are no pedestrian signals, obey the vehicle traffic signal lights. Traffic signs. The shape and color of a sign offers you a clue about the information contained on the sign. Here are the common shapes used. An 8-sided red stop sign indicates that you must make a full stop whenever you see this sign. Stop at the white limit line, a wide white line painted on the street, or before entering the crosswalk. If a limit line or crosswalk is not painted on the street, stop before entering the intersection. Check traffic in all directions before proceeding. A 3-sided red yield sign indicates that you must slow down and be ready to stop, if necessary, to let any vehicle, bicyclist, or pedestrian pass before you proceed. A square red and white regulatory sign indicates that you must follow the sign's instruction. For example, the do not enter sign means do not enter a road or off-ramp where the sign is posted, usually on a freeway off-ramp. The WRONG way sign may or may not be posted with the do not enter sign. If you see one or both of these signs, drive to the side of the road and stop. You are going against traffic. When safe, back out or turn around and return to the road you were on. At night, if you are going the wrong way, the road reflectors will shine red in your headlights. A sign that has a red circle with a red line through it always indicates NO. The picture inside the circle shows what you cannot do. The sign may be shown with or without words. A yellow and black circular sign, or an X-shaped sign indicates that you are approaching a railroad crossing. You must look, listen, slow down, and prepare to stop, if necessary. Let any trains pass before you proceed. Many railroad crossings will also have a blue and white sign to indicate what to do if there is an emergency on or near the tracks, or if your vehicle has stalled on the tracks. A 5-sided sign indicates that you are near a school. Stop if children are in the crosswalk. A 4-sided diamond-shaped sign warns you of specific road conditions and dangers ahead. Many warning signs are diamond-shaped.